Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian province of Central Africa AFC organized a meeting for rectors of works from November 21st to 23rd. Initially scheduled in Goma, the session was held at the Salesian Theologate in Lubumbashi due to the precarious security conditions in Goma and surrounding areas, which also resulted in the non-participation of the rectors from the eastern part of the country. During the various sessions chaired by Father Guillermo Basses, AFC Provincial, together with the Provincial Council, the rectors of the communities in the southern part of the province analyzed various themes on the elaboration of the specific tools of Salesian pastoral action, the guidelines and directives on spiritual accompaniment, and the elaboration of the scrutiny placed each rector before the great responsibility of his service. The rectors also addressed the issue of the digital world, where the Salesians of the AFC province must be active for the mission of educator pastors. In addition, the provincial economer presented the Provincial Solidarity Procedure Manual. For preparation for Christmas, the Youth Ministry sector of the Salesian headquarters offers everyone an ecological and spiritual Advent calendar, 4 weeks of reflection and action on 4 themes designed to lead a Christmas more authentic, in harmony with oneself, with others, with creation, and with God. The proposed topics are: let us contemplate and care for a common home, we seek inner peace, we take care of relationships with others, and to experience a truly ecological and sustainable Christmas. To accompany each day, there will be the Word of God and the proposal of a concrete commitment. The province of Chennai, INM India, had the privilege of the visit of Father Stefano Motlogio, the victor of the Rector Major, from 18 to 24 November. The 6 days visit was a moment of grace to the confreres and the provinces. It was the first visit of the Father Stefano to Asia, India, Chennai. During the visit, the vicar was able to visit 19 communities of the 51 of the province. He had visited all the 4 regions: Chennai, Vellore, Thuri, Vanamalai, Trippatur and Pondicherry, meeting the confreres of these regions and the young people who study in our institutions. During these days of animation, the Vicar General animated the rectors and leaders of communities, the Provincial Council, the Commission for Religious Discipline and the Formation Commission. Father Stefano visited the 2 formation communities, the Novitiate and the Theologate, addressing the formees and the formators separately. He also visited the 3 aspirantates. All the communities welcomed the vicar with warm cordiality with typical cultural expressions. El WhatsApp de Don Zati is an artistic project that came about because of Artemides Zati's canonization and the joy of being able to celebrate it, which has sparked a great movement of joy and enthusiasm among young Argentines. The Salesians of Tucumán, German Dice and Mariano Bresson, with their pastoral team, thus launched an initiative aimed at presenting the figure of Brother Zati, the new Italo-Argentine saint. In the end, they decided to create a theatrical performance with content that was meaningful and suitable for today's youth culture. In developing the staging and writing the script, Brother German Diaz and his collaborators relied on historical documentation related to Brother Zati's life. Starting from that, little by little, they dramatized his story, always relying, however, on characters who reflect the truth of the events. Another theme for discussion concerned the title of the work. From the beginning, the objective was to convey a part of Zati's life through some of his special relationships and his communication with them, but doing so by imagining him across a modern smartphone. Thus, the biggest challenge faced in this project was to maintain a narrative balance between today's world and historical authenticity. From August 30th to November 14, Father Hugo Orozco, General Counselor for Inter-America, made the extraordinary visit on behalf of the Rector Major to the St. Peter Claver province of Colombia, Bogota, COB. As part of the visit, Father Orozco had the opportunity to meet with the Provincial Council, all the delegates and sector leaders, the lay people co-responsible for the mission, and the 15 local communities, where he spoke with the co-workers and youth. Dialoguing with all of them, he was able to learn about the work plan underway in the province and the challenges to be faced so that the Salesian mission will be increasingly effective among young people to strengthen charismatic identity and thus verify the good progress of the implementation of the guidelines following the 28th General Chapter. Over a period of 2.5 months, Father Orozco held meetings, audiences, celebrations and feast days according to the agreed schedule. With a great spirit of openness, simplicity and availability, the visitor was open to all proposals, but above all, he devoted himself to listening fraternally to all the confreres. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.